If you want to learn how to add an overlay in CapCut for PC, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you a super simple way to place a video or photo overlay on top of your main clip, so you can create more engaging edits, picture-in-picture effects, tutorials, reactions, and stylish content in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tips and editing guides. Let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your PC and start a new project, or open an existing one if you already have a video ready to edit. The first thing you need to do is import your main media. This can be your base video, your background clip, or the main footage you want to edit. Once it's imported, drag that video down onto the timeline. This will be the foundation of your edit, and everything else will sit on top of it. Now that your base clip is on the timeline, the next step is to add your overlay. An overlay can be another video, a photo, a screenshot, a graphic, or even a short clip like a reaction shot, or B-roll. Import the overlay media into CapCut if you haven't already, then drag it directly above your base clip on a new track. This is important, because overlays need to sit on a separate layer so they appear on top of the main video. If the overlay doesn't line up the way you want at first, don't worry, you can click on the overlay clip in the timeline and use the preview window to adjust it. In the preview area, grab the corner handles to resize the overlay. Make it larger if you want it to stand out, or smaller if you want it to sit neatly in the corner. You can also drag it around the screen to reposition it wherever you want. For more precise control, use the right-hand menu in CapCut. Depending on the version you're using, you'll usually see options for scale, position, and sometimes rotation. This is really useful if you want your overlay to stay in a very specific spot, like the top right corner, the center of the screen, or a custom layout for a tutorial or reaction video. If you're creating a picture-in-picture style edit, you can shrink the overlay clip and place it in one corner, while your main clip keeps playing underneath. If you're adding a photo overlay, you can use the same method to display text, graphics, logos, thumbnails, or screenshots on top of your footage. The process is the same. Base clip on the main track, overlay clip on the track above it, then resize and position it until it looks right. One helpful tip is to scrub through the timeline after placing your overlay and make sure it appears for the right part of the video. You can trim the overlay clip just like any other clip if you only want it visible for a few seconds. That gives you a lot more control and makes the edit look clean and intentional. Once you're happy with the placement, play the video back and check how the overlay looks in motion. Make sure it doesn't cover anything important in your base clip, and adjust the size or position if needed. A small tweak can make a huge difference in how professional the final edit looks. And that's it. You now know how to add an overlay in CapCut for PC. Just import your main clip, place the overlay on the track above it, then resize and reposition it using the preview window or the right-hand controls. It's fast, easy, and one of the best ways to level up your videos. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more CapCut PC tutorials, editing tips, and beginner-friendly walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.